The beautiful Banjar River, the lifeline of Kanha, flows beside Kanha Jungle Lodge. What can be better than having a freshly made masala chai after a walk along the riverbank? Flavored with ginger, cardamom, black pepper, and lemongrass, it completely refreshes mind, body, and soul. I'm going to pound it into a paste and add this ground masala to 2.5 cups of boiling water with 2 teaspoons of tea powder and some sugar. And now I'm going to simmer it until the flavor seeps in completely. And now add a cup of whole milk and boil it for a couple of minutes. Now the air is full of delicious aroma. I'm going to enjoy my very personal comfort drink while listening to the flow of the water and watching the birds fly across the river.